Metwaso ewo ensem foforo mu a Ghana ni eye nkrabata na ba ko a ekoso ewo fontom from Jimedie so anopa bia ewo fidie mu hanom na ewra ni din ede ganyo bi a chanwa ba so a ode aba betu just atenka ewo ni peduem ni obi wo honom a eba ya ha adwen yie pa metre emotional pressure na se eba ne sa na se wantumi anso ano a yefri ba ko a yebekọ mienu.
Emotional pressure no wo something internal. It could be from background frame, fear of frame.
Okay.
It's a saying. Remember example, you find say Obaahemaa de bia o fear ne mami, ne papa bo ne mami. Growing up no say very normal. Inti okoshia or baby a otumi standing up for herself almost obana there's a problem with her. What you see? Good. Inti no with emotional we need the it has to do with one kasa de ewu obi wo ho a obeba bontin abeye bibi just to seek validation from people. What else obi wo ho a we hu say nkofo yewe ono susu wo pese wo yewe. You know, in the quest of being confident, you have to know yourself. Ye nyina yeti he, we are different people. But I could say she's a very reserved person. She has a very calm energy and aura around her.
Yeah.
In her definition of confidence, no sa not here.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it. Miso say na metie, I'm bubbly, loud. Sa na miso metie. So we all cannot be confident in the same way. The way you train them in confidence are very different. Obi wo ho are very quiet. Obi wo ho won bisa na semon kasa da. But say ebia wo de asem hye no anaso person expressing ho a obi timi expressing ho very easily. Obi ko wo ho won bisa na asem kra or de asem beba betoa. Inti no confidence no is not one size fit all for everybody. Obia ni nisu ene ne ban. But at the end of the day you need to first believe in yourself. Say me asimesi say na metie me jimi hudi me made obi beka ebe ha me na se me pese me ye bibiso a me de makoma me de menyansa me nimdie ene mpaibo beta me hwechi na makwakoye enu anu no ye nka se obeye confidence anje wo se wo so de bia e wo se wo sa wo yes no your confidence might not be like that.